Low water pressure can be a frustrating issue, impacting everything from showering to washing dishes. Before attempting any fixes, it's crucial to determine the scope of the problem. Is the low pressure affecting your entire home, or is it isolated to just one specific faucet or shower? This initial assessment will guide your troubleshooting process. A widespread issue often points to a different cause than a localized one. We will cover both scenarios to help you diagnose and resolve the problem effectively. If low water pressure affects all fixtures in your home, start by checking your main water supply. First, locate your main shutoff valve, typically found near your water meter or where the main line enters your house. Ensure it is fully open. Sometimes, this valve can be partially closed, restricting water flow. Next, inspect your water pressure regulator, if you have one. This device, usually bell-shaped, is installed on the main water line and can be adjusted to control pressure. A faulty or improperly set regulator can significantly reduce your home's water pressure. You might need to adjust it or consider replacement if it's old. Consult your owner's manual or a professional for precise adjustment instructions. Another common cause for whole house low pressure is an issue with your municipal water supply. Check with your neighbors to see if they are experiencing similar problems. This could indicate a main break or maintenance work in your area. Finally, sediment buildup in your main water line or water heater can restrict flow. Flushing your water heater can help, but significant pipe corrosion or blockages may require professional intervention. When low water pressure is confined to a single faucet or shower, the problem is usually localized. Begin by cleaning the aerator on your faucet or the shower head. These components often accumulate mineral deposits and debris over time, restricting water flow. Unscrew the aerator or shower head and thoroughly clean any screens or small holes. Soaking them in vinegar can help dissolve stubborn mineral buildup. Reassemble the parts and test the water pressure. Next, check the supply lines connected to the affected fixture. These are the flexible hoses running from the wall to the faucet or toilet. Ensure there are no kinks or bends that could be restricting water flow. Also, inspect the shutoff valve located directly under the sink or behind the toilet. These small valves allow you to turn off water to a single fixture for repairs. Make sure they are fully open. Sometimes they are accidentally left partially closed. For shower heads or single-handle faucets, a worn or faulty cartridge or diverter valve can be the culprit. These internal components control water flow and temperature. Replacing a damaged cartridge can often restore full pressure. While many low water pressure issues can be resolved with simple DIY steps, some problems require expert help. If you've tried all the common troubleshooting methods and the issue persists, it's time to contact a licensed plumber. Complex issues like hidden pipe leaks, significant pipe corrosion, or problems with your main water line often require specialized tools and expertise. A professional can accurately diagnose the root cause and implement a lasting solution. Don't hesitate to seek assistance for persistent or complex low water pressure problems.